If this doesn't give you island vibes at your barbecue, I don't know what will.
So today we're gonna be walking you through how to make this mojito infused fruit bowl.
First, we're going to be cutting all of the fruit that we have in front of us.
There is a strategy on how to cut the fruit so that you can get the most balls out of your fruit.
The more balls, the better. No pun intended. The first fruit we're going to be cutting is the watermelon, which is also going to be our bowl. So first we need to figure out what side of the watermelon works best as the bottom of the bowl.
I'm gonna go with not that one. Let's try the other one. And that works. This is gonna be the top of the bowl, so you're gonna cut off 1/3 this way. Here we go, no pressure. There you go, it's so beautiful, look at it.
Now let's cut the papaya. This fruit is pretty self-explanatory on which way to cut. You're gonna cut it from the top to the bottom.
Look how beautiful this is. You love papaya.
My favorite fruit. Doesn't give me the heebie-jeebies at all.
Sam has a phobia of anything that looks like this.
Have you ever heard of trypophobia? It is the phobia of clusters and holes, and I have it.
She be tripping, you know what I'm saying? Trypophobia, tripping. She tripping.
Okay, we're gonna set that aside.
Okay, wait, no. We wanna scoop out all of these beautiful seeds. You can grow a papaya garden if you want to right now, if you want, because look at these beautiful seeds. So we're gonna be taking out all the seeds with this fruit scoop. If you don't have a fruit scoop, you can also use a spoon. Bam. And there it is.
Okay, so we're gonna set the papaya aside and then we're gonna move on to the kiwi. So we're gonna cut the kiwi from the top to the bottom. Okay, so this way. Top to bottom.
We are moving on to our mangoes. So mangoes have a giant, what is it called?
Pit.
A pit. It's a pit. So mangoes have a giant pit in it, so you want to cut it also from top to bottom, but you also want to see like the shape of the mango. You don't want to cut it like this. This is wide. If you cut it like this, you're not going to get any room for your balls. So you want to cut it this way, like this, where it's skinniest. Cut it against the pit so that we can get as many ballsies. Oh, this pit's actually not that big. That's great. Great news. I want to eat it. This is my favorite fruit, you guys. You could tell these are sweet because of the yellow. The more yellow or color really, the sweeter. There we go.
So next we're going to be chopping up our mints. We're gonna finely chop this. We have this amazing bar back who can chop this up in like 0.2 seconds. I'm no Lil, but you know, I'm trying, you know?
You're doing a really good job.
Thanks.
I mean, he's like a ninja with it, but you're doing great, girl.
Okay, so I think this is pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice and chopped. You can smell the mint in the air.
Delicious.
The flavors are unleashed. So we're going to be using Malibu to infuse our fruit. So we're gonna take our mint, put it into the jar. Then we're gonna take our Malibu and pour it into our jar.
Ooh, mixology. Now we're gonna set this aside while we ball up all of our fruit.
So we have a special tool. It's a melon baller. You can find this on Amazon. I'll add a link for you guys to get this, or you can find it at pretty much any store that sells kitchen utensils. And also, if you want to save some coins, you can use this measuring tool, which I feel like everybody has. I have it, she has it, people have it. And if you don't have it, ask your grandma, she probably got one, you know?
So we're gonna start off by balling up the watermelon, and I'm gonna show you how to ball it up. So you're gonna wanna press the melon baller against the watermelon, create a little ball. It's gonna be juicy, so, you know, get a towel or something. And there you have it, your little ball. I'm gonna show you. the little ball. It's so pretty. And now you're gonna make a billion of them.
Here we go.
So obviously it's an uneven surface, and to get perfect balls, you need an even surface. So we're just gonna gut it.
A little bit.
Just a little, just so it's all even. There we go. And then we go back to balling. We're gonna ball out real quick. Sam, you gonna take over? Okay. Okay, girl. I'm gonna say my balls are better than Sam's. Oh my God, look at them, they're so pretty! Oh my God, my children!
And then we're just gonna gut out the rest of the watermelon, get rid of everything so it's a nice clean bowl. Get rid of all that stuff.
So now you have a nice empty watermelon to put all your fruit balls in it.
Now that you guys get the gist, we're gonna ball up the rest of the fruit.
This is gonna be a competition. Who can ball the fastest? Good.
Well, you get the good baller.
I'm a good, you got it last time.
Fair. Oh, this is hard.
Balls. Get it where it's the thickest part. Oh, I'm done. I won.
Cheater.
I won the challenge. Here, you wanna use my tool?
I do. Oh my God, so much easier. I would have definitely beat you if I had this. You took a long time.
The kiwi time.
We have some lime here and we're going to squeeze that over our fruit. So this is a lime and a half actually.
It smells so good. So now that our Malibu has been infused with the mint, we're gonna strain it and pour it over our fruit. And catch all those mint leaves. Perfect. So now we're gonna let this sit for a minimum of 4 hours. Is it done yet?
Are you ready?
It's been 2 minutes. Is it done yet?
So now that our fruit balls have infused with our coconut mojito mix, we're gonna scoop them out with this spoon that has holes and it'll strain out all of that liquid. Look how beautiful this is.
It's so cute. And then we have these little toothpicks to eat them with. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God. So good.